Derek is asking me, better give them realization. I know they are ready to get it, but they have to grow. That's the point I'm telling you. He feels quite helpless and he doesn't know what's the matter with him. I told him, you grow some beard, mustaches. Maybe a better idea. Might be they are used to scenes like that. It's nothing external. It is the internal beauty that we have to know. Now it's very simple. If it doesn't shock you, I'll tell you there are 2-3 conditions. The first one is you have to take out your shoes if it doesn't shock you. Because this Mother Earth helps us a lot. She absorbs all our problems. So English people are difficult. All right. Now the second condition is, which is also not very absurd, that please don't feel guilty about anything. It's a fashion. I'm very guilty. Why are you guilty? No, I have to confess. I'm very guilty. About what? You know, the other day I was eating the food and I was holding knife on the right hand, finished. These norms are human beings have created. This kind of stupid things for which you should feel guilty, and get this center here on the left hand side. You get spondylitis, also angina. It's a fact. So not to feel guilty. What are you guilty about? If you were guilty, you would have been in jail, not here. So please, first of all, forgive yourself completely. You are not guilty, I assure you. It's a new evolution with people's mind that they should feel guilty. Finished. If you are guilty, when it happened, you should have done something about it or forget it. Why are you carrying that load on your left Vishuddhi ear? That's the second one. And the third one is, I think is also very simple, is to forgive yourself, as I said, and forgive others. Now you say, Mother, we can't, it's a bit difficult. But try to understand the logic. Whether you forgive or don't forgive, what do? Nothing, just the same. But say if you don't forgive, then what happens? You play into wrong hands. You torture yourself. So just say in your heart that, Mother, I forgive myself fully. I forgive others fully. Whether they are in your mind or not, just say that and this center will open up in no time. These will all help me a lot. These 3 things are very important, and I know you can get your realization in no time. So to put your hands like this towards me, like this, just simple, as if you are asking for self-realization like this. Need not be higher, this thing, just whatever is comfortable. People can't believe that sitting in the hall, how can you get realization? But you deserve it. You get it because that's the time and because you are seekers. Don't doubt yourself, please. Have your hands like that. Now you can close your eyes if you want to. If you don't want to close, don't close your eyes. Because there's no mesmerism going on. At least I close my eyes. Now, put the right hand towards me and put the left hand on top of your fontanelle bone area. Now you'll feel some cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood. Don't put your hand on top of it. You have to put it away from you, and you can move the hand to see yourself. Don't say that you've got it unless until you've got it. We are not to cheat ourselves. All right. Now please put your left hand towards me and put the right hand on top of your head. You can bend your hip. That's better. If you bend your head and with the right hand you see. Once more, please put your right hand towards me. And again with the left hand, you see for yourself if there's a cool or a hot breeze is coming. Now don't doubt it. If it is coming, it is there. Could be hot. It will cool down. You can move up on the sides and see for yourself. Now open your eyes and put your both hands towards me like this. Now watch me without thinking, without thinking. Just try. You can do it. Huh? Now, raise your both the hands towards the sky like this. Push back your head. And ask any one of these three questions 3 times. Any one of them. First one, Mother, is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? First question is this the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost? Second question is, Mother, is this the all-pervading power of divine love? Third question is, Mother, is this the Ruh or the Param Chaitanya? Ask any one of these questions 3 times in your heart. Now again put down your hands, that's all. Now put your hands like this towards me. Just like that. All those who have felt cool or hot breeze on their palms, or on their fingertips, or out of their fontanelle bone area, please raise your both hands. Just look at that. You're proving what I've said. Just look at that. Now you've got it. Now this is a responsibility to grow. May God bless you. May God. Such a joy, such happiness. I wish you best of luck, and also wish you a very, very deep understanding of your being. I'll be there tomorrow evening. I don't know where have they arranged it, but please make it a point to come. And I would like to meet you there. I hope you'll make it convenient. I don't know, he'll describe to you wherever it is.